It turns real easy.
Yeah, I'd fill it with, take the the pump out and just set it down in there, get it good.
Well, I lubricated it, but see, this has got lubrication all over it.
Yeah. Okay.
The thing we gotta do though is make sure we got the holes lined up here,
Yeah.
which we do.
Well, that doesn't get as much lube on there as you can get on it. It'd be nice if a couple of those were studs.
Yeah.
I think that might be what they're showing on this, maybe. If you had 3 studs and put them in there and then took the rest of the bolts, you know. That way you can leave that all together while you're putting the ring on. Well, it looks like it's doing it right.
Yeah.
Sounds like it turns easy.
Yeah. Well, no, we know we got everything put in there right, but maybe if you tighten it up too much, I don't know. We'll find out, I guess.
Yeah, this doesn't show that there might be any shims in there. The only place you could shim it would be between
the width of this is what gives you your spacing.
Yeah. And if you shimmed, it'd have to be shimmed between the plate, the spacing plate, the little plate that you put in there first.
Yeah.
And that outside retainer is, huh?
I don't know why I'm using that. This isn't a 1/2 inch. I thought it was 1/2 inch.
Bummer, dude.
Oh well. It doesn't matter. It's not that much. I'll just snug them down and try it again. look at that one. It's not down and it's tight. Something's wrong. It's dragging.
Well, according to this, they're all the same length.
I'll try a different one in that hole. Maybe it's that.
Well, the good thing is the bolts will be readily available.
Yeah.
Hex head, 5/16 with an 18 thread, 1 3/4 inches long.
Number 5.
Grade 5.
Okay,
That
there's.
one went down, huh?
Yeah, it screwed in by hand.
I hear it moving. Okay, and then
Yeah, it's got to be this bolt.
okay, we'll have to get a new one. Then you wanted to give a plug to Harbor Freight.
Well, I just wanted to.
Yeah, I
Could
know.
be anybody's O-rings.
I know. You go ahead, set it on this side of that, your stand there. These are the O-ring kits that we use. They're just generic O-rings. We did find out that a lot of, or some of the parts that you need are available at International Harvester. We did buy 2 O-rings for the parts that the divider valve and the other valve. We bought the parts, the 2 O-rings that they had for those, and they were $3.50 for 2 O-rings, or you can get this whole kit for like $10 or something at Harbor Freight, and it comes with all kinds of O-rings. And they seem to be good quality O-rings. We've used them on a few different things.
Yeah, pressure washer pumps. And
Yeah, they still haven't blown out, so. But anyway,